For fishermen in Ganda, Tuasi subdivision of Tripura Zalai district reportedly died as heavy storm plunged into the area on Saturday night. All of them were in the river to catch fish in the river Sarma. A substantial number of fishermen go for fishing in the night as they could comparatively fetch more fish. As soon as the news spread, local administrations swung into action and SDRF and fire brigade troopers initiated the rescue operation. A team of expert divers of 1st Battalion NDRF has been sent from Agartala to trace the bodies. District Magistrate Dalai Saju Wahid took prompt action and wrote a letter to the 1st Battalion NDRF headquarters in Agartala detailing about the gravity of the situation. Considering the situation, the team was immediately dispatched. Speaking on the issue, a senior official of Tripura State Disaster Management Authority said they were informed by the locals that the fishermen were returning from fishing amid harsh weather conditions. However, due to strong wind, the boat they were boarded in turned turtle. The authorities are working to trace the bodies as soon as possible. Expressing his condolences to the grieving families, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah, who departed for Dalai district early on Sunday morning, assured assistance from the state government. Till Monday morning, 3 bodies have so far been retrieved from the search operations. The deceased persons have been identified as Hari Das, Datish Malik and Pratip Das. NDRF divers resumed search operations in the Dumpur Reservoir on Monday morning. District Magistrate, STM and all the high-ranking officials are supervising the search operations.
মানে লাস্ট বাইক করে যাচ্ছে এরপরে এরা গেছে গিয়ে অনেক সময় দাঁড়া রয়েছে জানা গিয়ে দাঁড়া রয়েছে বাইক করে না গিয়ে দাঁড়া রয়েছে আমরা ডাকি আমরা মারতাম না বাইক করতাম এরা জানা এরপরে আমরা কাকু বাবু এরা সবাই আমরা যারা যারা মাছ ধরে এরা গিয়েছে জালু টাইন না বাইক এরপরে এটা টিন একটা কাটানোর বন্দোবস্ত করে না মানে আজকাল দিন তোমার